Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on Fidelity app Easy Guide. Open the Fidelity app and sign into your account to begin. Tap the Accounts tab to confirm your balance and linked bank. Next, go to the Trade tab, search for a stock symbol, and review the quote. Choose Buy, enter order size, select order type, and submit your trade while checking fees and confirmations. Whether you want a quick market order or precise limit order, the Fidelity app makes it simple and clear. Tap the Trade button after finding the stock page and choose Buy. Pick Market for instant execution or Limit to control price, then enter the number of shares or a dollar amount. Review estimated cost, commissions if any, and confirm. Watch for execution confirmations and check orders. After your order fills, use the Positions tab to monitor that new holding and its performance. Set price alerts to get notified about major moves, and consider protective orders like stop loss to limit downside. Use the app's tools to view charts, dividend history, and realized gains or losses. Regularly review your allocation and rebalance as needed to stay aligned with goals, and keep tax documents handy for year-end reporting and planning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.